Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. We apologize for the lack of any video content last week, but I was on vacation. And speaking of vacation, did you know that you may actually have more opportunity to travel than you realize? The Hong Kong government is continually updating its coronavirus travel guidelines with respect to inbound traveler quarantine requirements. Latest measures indicate that fully vaccinated travelers arriving from locations that are classified below extremely high risk are able to quarantine at a hotel for 7 days upon their return to Hong Kong. This is a dramatic reduction from the previous 14-day requirement, and in conjunction with the COVID quarantine waiver being offered to business travelers, has seen an increase in travel over the last month. You're not alone if you've been thinking that Discovery Bay and Central have been extremely quiet over the last 2 weeks, as many people have taken advantage of the situation to finally get out of the city. And even if you're not going to space with Jeff Bezos, plenty of non-coronavirus risks are still present anytime you go overseas. So if you're taking advantage of loosened quarantine requirements, or if you're able to finally travel for business and close that deal you've been working on, you're still going to want to consider travel insurance. Many travelers are taking advantage of the 7-day quarantine requirement for inbound passengers from the USA and are jetting off on their journeys without the security of an insurance policy which would protect them against the high cost of any medical bills they may face in that country. This is concerning, especially as accidents can and will happen unexpectedly. Even the best laid plans can go astray and awry. Hong Kong travel insurance products will, by and large, provide health insurance coverage sufficient to ensure that you will be able to receive necessary and life-saving medical treatment no matter where you are or what may have happened. And this includes a very high-cost location like the USA. With regards to travel insurance, these policies are not as expensive as an annual international health insurance plan, but give you a great deal of flexibility over and above what is contained in traditional medical coverage. From pickpockets and credit card skimmers on ATM, all the way through to having passports or jewelry stolen out of the safe in your hotel room. As a tourist, there are an awful lot of risks you face whenever you're in another country. This is ignoring the obvious risk of having your luggage lost by hand handlers at the airport. In all of these situations, you'll be stressed out and in need of immediate assistance. Replacing items that have been lost on holiday can be expensive. If you have to go get a whole new wardrobe from the resort shop after your luggage has gone missing, then that is going to be a very big drain on your bank account. Travel insurance removes this burden by ensuring that you have access to the financial assistance needed to overcome any obstacles involving the loss of your personal belongings, giving you the security you need to enjoy your trip. Insuring the trip you are taking is no different from insuring your car, your employees, or even your home, but often goes overlooked by modern travelers who are eager to simply get on the road. Taking out a travel insurance policy is an invaluable aspect of any vacation that should be considered before you depart. And when you eventually do make it to space with Blue Origin, there may even be an insurance option waiting for you. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.